So, hello. Today we are going to be talking about what? A title for humans. For example, the way you address people, whether they are single or married, divorced, widow or widower. So, then, and what? We also have what? So, one, two, three, four. And we have, okay. All right, so let's start with one. So, one is what? So, this is pronounced as what? Ms. So, um, so number one is MS. So it pronounced as Ms. Is a title used to address an who are adult females who are 18 years and above, whether married or single, and also for or to those whose marital status are hot or no to the what speaker, whether widow or divorce. So if you see a lady or a woman, you don't know if the woman is married or single or even if widow, you can use Miss MS to address the person. So let's take a look at number two. Number two. So number two, so like that, or Mrs. So we always say Mrs. is Mrs. or Mrs. So who or so for example, Mrs. What John or Mrs. Gabriel. So the Miss or Mrs. or Mrs. is a title used to address what? Adult females who is or who are what? Married. So for married women, we use the word Mrs. Then you can either use their name, Mrs. For example, Mrs. Jane, John, and their husband's name, or their what? Surname. So this is how it be addressed. So you can use it like Mrs. Gabriel or Mrs. Jane, John. So John here is the husband's name. So the Jane is the lady's name. So this is the what? The title. So let's go to number 2. Number 3. So the number 3, we have what? Like MR. So it's pronounced Mr. So it's a title used to address, it is used to address an adult male who is 18 years and above. So 18 years and above. So whether married or what? Unmarried. So whether married or unmarried. So for example, Mr. Samuel, Mr. Samsi, you can put Mr. any name. So let's go to number 4. So number 4, we have what? Miss. So this Miss is pronounced as Miss. So It is used to address what? A young female and unmarried adult female. And unmarried adult and unmarried adult females who are less than 30 years of age. Who is or are less than 30 years of age. So, for example, we can use the word Miss Vivian so etc. So the word Miss or Miss is a title used to address a young female or unmarried adult female who is or who are less than what? 30 years of age. So let's go to the other one, the last one, number 5, which is the MST. Number 5. So the MST is pronounced as what? Master. So this is a title used to address a young male who are less than what? Or who is less than 18 years of old. Than 18 age. So now they are not yet what? Adults. So you can use the word what? For example, Master Junior, Master David. So thank you very much for watching.